What are we going to be doing?
Painting.
Painting. Do you enjoy painting?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So for today's video, we're going to be doing a crafting video. I haven't done one of these in a hot minute. Say hello. Say hello. Alright, he's been Amari. Anywho, we have been doing, for our science topic, we've been doing parts of a plant. Can you stop so mommy can record a minute, please? Thank you. We've been doing parts of the plant. So for a little art and crafting, I've decided to just draw a flower, cut it out, and I'm going to have him paint it, and then we paste it back together. And yes, I just thought I'd record it so that you guys can see. And Amari's turning on the fan, so just stay tuned. I hope you like today's video. And I look a little bit crazy, but anyways,
is one.
yeah, that's one. You don't want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah.
Arulo.
What are we going to be doing?
Painting.
Painting. Do you enjoy painting?
Yep.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to show you the little setup we have. So basically, we're in the living room, and excuse the look a bit now. And I just put some old newspaper and just tape it on so that it doesn't blow away. And then we have our paint, and then we have what you want to do.
I can see.
You want to hold it? Alright, you hold it. Hold it carefully. Good. Hold it like that. Hold it just like that. Good. Just like that. Alright, so Amari's holding the camera for me, and I can show them over this side. Alright, good. So we have the flower here, the root is over here, I have the stem, and the leaf is kind of tiny, so it's this. So we're going to be painting these and everything, and we'll have our, no, what kind of video man you be? So this is the water that we're going to rinse the brush in and all that jazz stuff.
But it won't.
Stay tuned.
What?
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no.
Alright, so you painted the flower. It's nice. Alright, so you want to paint the leaf now? What color are you going to use to paint the leaf?
I want to use green.
Green? Okay. up and show it to everybody?
Hi.
Turn it around. Wow. You did this all by yourself? It's very beautiful.
Control that way.
You can throw the water away. Alright, before you throw it away, can you say bye?
Bye.
So until next time.
Till next time.
Remember to like, share,
share,
comment,
comment,
and subscribe.
subscribe.